Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success EDUTECH. Today we are watching some GK current affairs. Listen carefully and pay attention. Now I am starting my session. United States and European Union have launched a global pledge to reduce emissions of which potent greenhouse gas by nearly 30% by the end of the decade. This question answer is methane. Which program was launched by the Indian Railways on 17 September 2021, under which it will train 50,000 youth in the age group of 18 to 35 over 3 years. Rail Kushal Vikas Yojana. This question is answered. Which edutech major has partnered with NITI to provide free access to its teach tech driven learning programs for children from 120 aspirational districts of the country. This question answer is Byju's. At which place the 45th meeting of GST Council was held on 17 September 2021. This question answer is Lucknow. Which organization has launched Professor S.K. Joshi Laboratory Excellence Award? This question answer is Quality Council of India. Which is the first power sector non-banking financial company NBFC to launch India's first ever Euro Green Bond? Power Finance Corporation Limited, PFC. Who is the chairman of the expert committee constituted by the Defense Ministry for a comprehensive review of the National Cadet Corps, that's NCC, to make it more relevant with changing times? Vijayant Panda. Under which country's chairship a meeting of BRICS heads of tax authorities and experts on tax matters was held virtually on 15 September 2021. India. Correct answer. Name the five-time Olympics shooter and Asian Games gold medalist 1978 from India who has been appointed as the acting president of the Olympic Council of Asia. Raja Ranbir Singh. How many states met the target for capital expenditure? Question A of 2021 to 2022 and become eligible for additional open market borrowing equivalent to 0.25% of their gross state domestic product GSDP. Correct answer is 11. On 13 September 2021, Indian Navy handed over a passenger variant Dorinor PVD to the police force of which country on lease? Mauritius. This question's answer. Who has been appointed as the Chief Minister of Gujarat after the resignations of Vijay Rupani? This question answer is Bhupendra Bhai Patel. So today we have completed some GK current affairs question answer. So I am completing my short lecture and I hope you like this lecture. Namaskar.